Hi everyone, here's what we'll cover in today's video. We'll explore natural foods that can help you lose weight effectively, why they work, and the best ways to include them in your diet. You'll learn key tips to make your weight loss journey smoother and easier. We'll also share essential do's and don'ts to ensure you get the most out of these foods. And finally, we'll provide practical tips to enjoy these foods the right way for lasting results. This humble lentil is a powerhouse of protein and fiber. It keeps you full for a long time, curbing hunger pangs and stopping overeating. Moong dal is also easy to digest, making it ideal for a light dinner or post-workout meal. You can enjoy it as a simple dal, in khichdi, or even as moong dal chilla for a nutritious weight loss option. Curd is not just delicious but also loaded with probiotics. These good bacteria improve digestion and reduce bloating, which are key for effective weight loss. It also helps regulate body temperature, making it perfect for hot summer days. Pair curd with your lunch or enjoy it as a refreshing buttermilk for better gut health. Bajra is a fantastic option for weight loss. It's high in fiber and helps control your blood sugar levels, keeping cravings away. Bajra is also rich in iron, making it excellent for energy and stamina. Replace regular wheat rotis with bajra rotis, or make comforting bajra khichdi for a hearty and satisfying meal. Flax seeds are tiny, but they're packed with omega-3 fats and fiber. They reduce your appetite, improve digestion, and help your body burn fat faster. These seeds also support hormonal balance, which can be especially helpful for weight loss. Sprinkle them over your salads, mix them into your smoothies, or eat a spoonful with water. Spinach is low in calories but rich in nutrients, making it perfect for weight loss. Its high water content keeps you hydrated and full, while its iron boosts energy levels. Add it to your dal, make a spinach soup, or mix it into your chapati dough for a healthy twist that's easy to incorporate into daily meals. Papaya is nature's digestive superhero. It's low in calories, full of fiber, and improves digestion, which aids weight loss. This fruit is also rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, which supports your immune system. Have it as a mid-morning snack or in your fruit salads. It's sweet, filling, and healthy. Jeera is a spice that boosts metabolism and burns fat. It's also rich in iron and aids in detoxifying your body. Start your day with a glass of warm jeera water to reduce bloating and keep your digestion in check while promoting weight loss. Bottle gourd is a low-calorie, water-rich vegetable that keeps you full without adding extra calories. It's also high in vitamin C and potassium, supporting heart health. Make a simple lauki sabzi or a refreshing lauki juice to enjoy its hydrating and weight loss benefits. Sprouts are rich in protein, fiber, and vitamins, making them a perfect snack for weight loss. They keep you full, improve digestion, and give you lasting energy. Sprouts are also great for skin health, thanks to their high antioxidant content. Enjoy them as a salad or a light mid-meal option for a nutrient boost. Ragi is packed with fiber and keeps you full for hours. It controls cravings and balances your blood sugar levels, helping you avoid energy dips. It's also rich in calcium, making it excellent for bone health. You can make ragi dosa, porridge, or even add it to your rotis for a healthy twist to your meals. Here are a few do's to remember when using weight loss foods. Eat them fresh and in the right portions to maximize their benefits. Include variety in your diet to ensure balanced nutrition. Stay hydrated to support your body and enhance their effects. Combine these foods with regular exercise for the best results. Finally, choose home-cooked meals to avoid hidden calories and unhealthy additives. And here are a few don'ts to avoid common mistakes. Don't skip meals. Consistency is crucial for steady progress. Avoid deep frying these foods or using too much oil, as it adds unnecessary calories. Don't overeat, even if the food is healthy, moderation matters. Steer clear of packaged or processed options that might contain hidden sugars or salts. Lastly, don't rely solely on these foods. Always aim for a balanced and wholesome diet. To make the most of weight loss foods, eat them fresh and in the right portions. Include a variety of these foods in your meals for balanced nutrition. Stay hydrated and pair these foods with regular exercise to see better results. Avoid deep frying or overeating, as moderation is crucial. Remember, consistency and a balanced diet are the real keys to weight loss success. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Thank you for staying till the end. Your commitment to a healthier lifestyle is inspiring. Remember, small changes add up to big results over time. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself, share it with someone who might benefit. Until next time, stay motivated and take care of your health.